peoples, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have SiR and AP with this cool song called Poetry in Motion. So a great collab there between SiR and AP. Let's take a look at the song with the capo set on the 2nd fret. With that, we have easiest chords possible for this song. So capo on 2nd, and with that follows 4 different chords. So we're gonna start with A minor. All right, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Yes, love A minor, my favorite chord. Over to next one, that's G. All right, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F. It's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret. You use your index finger and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E minor. Another very easy chord to grab, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so we're gonna look at this string pattern, and it has actually 2 different parts we need to look at, and we're gonna do that with a transition from G to F. All right, so let's take a look at the first part, G to F. So G is played part 1, and it goes down, down, clap, up, down. Okay, so like this. So down, down, clap, up, down. Okay, and then you switch quickly to the next chord, in this case the F, and play up, and then up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Short pause, and then up, clap, clap, up, down, up. So the part 1 was up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So if you combine the 2 parts, it will be G, down, down, clap, up, down, and then F, up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So slowly like this. So that means 1 full round will be the chord that we're gonna start with, A minor. You're gonna play 1 full round of that, and that will be part 1 and part 2 together. It will be down, down, clap, up, down, up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that is how this starts. A minor, 1 full round. G part 1 and F part 2, we already learned that. The 2nd round goes A minor, 1 full round, then E minor part 1, the down, down, clap, up, down, and then again F part 2, up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that is how you play it from the beginning till the very end. I'm going to play through 1 chord progression round for you, a little bit slower than standard tempo. That means A minor, G, F, A minor, E minor, F. It goes like this. A little bit faster, you have the standard tempo, something like this. And so on. All right, guys, that is what you're gonna get from me, SiR and AP's Poetry in Motion. Thank you so much, and play tuned.